Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to unarchive posts on Facebook. Now guys, this is actually very easy to do. Now you can do that directly from your Facebook settings. So let's get started with the process. Now the first step to take is to of course log into your Facebook account and then click on this drop down icon at the top right corner of your screen, or if you're using your Android phone you can click on the three lines at top right corner of your screen and then select settings and privacy. Now go to activity log, and once you're here just have to look at the left hand side of the screen, scroll down and you're going to find archive. Now go ahead and select that and select post archive. Now once you select your post archive, you're going to find your post archive right here, only if you have a post that is being archived on Facebook. Now once you find the post and you have to select the one you want to unarchive, just click on this three dots beside it and then click on the restore to profile, and once you click on that you find this option to restore. Go ahead and click on that, and now these posts will be restored back on your Facebook profile. Now if you refresh this page you will not be able to find this anymore here. So guys, this is how to unarchive posts on Facebook. I hope this tip was helpful. Please give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel if you're new. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.